Welcome students, this is a beautiful question. We are expected to find the value of x. Now if I were to give you this question and ask you to answer me in a yes or no, what would your answer be? The question is, can you find the value of x? What's your answer? Is it a yes or a no? So let me know that in the comment section. If you had answered yes, just place that you answered yes. If you answered no, you place your answer as no. And at the end of this particular solution, I will tell you the people who have answered what to be the right answer. Okay, so we've been given this particular question. So what I wish to do is, I would like to utilize this formula: a raised to the power of m positive n is equal to a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. Using this formula, I can rewrite this to be as 2 raised to the power of x positive 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so with this I can now take 2 raised to the power of x out. So that's going to be 1 positive 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x times 3 squared is 9. Now 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 8 added with 1 will give me 9 here. So 9 times 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of x times 9. So you have 9 both sides. So 9 and 9 can be divided. So when you divide by 9, you have 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of x. Now if I were to push 2 raised to the power of x to this side, this would give me 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x divided by 2 raised to the power of x. Now this can be further rewritten as 3 over 2 raised to the power of x, and over here I get 1. Now I want to take ln both sides. So taking ln both sides, you get ln 1 is equal to ln of 3 over 2 raised to the power of x. Now there is a formula: ln a power b is equal to b times ln a. So by that formula I get ln 1 to the base e. Whenever I take ln, the base is e, is equal to x times ln 3 over 2. Now this can be rewritten as, by, let me write down the value, ln 1 is equal to x times ln 3 over 2. I'm going to divide both sides by ln 3 over 2, ln 3 over 2. So this is going to give me x is equal to ln 1 divided by ln 3 over 2. Now I want your response. What do you think this value would be? I hope you have found out. So ln 1, regardless of what the base is, whether it's e or 10, ln 1 is equal to 0. So this would mean x is equal to 0. So that is the value. Now let us do the check. We have been given 2 raised to the power of x positive 2 raised to the power of x positive 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of x positive 2. I'm going to take x is equal to 0. 2 power 0 positive 0 positive 3 is equal to 0 positive 2. This is 3 squared. This is 2 power 3. This is 1. This is 8 and 1. This is 9. So 9 is equal to 9. So therefore x is equal to 0. Now is x is equal to 0? Is it the only solution? Yes, it is the only solution. It is going to be the only point where the left hand side will be equal to right hand side. If this is taken graphically, clearly you will see that this is an increasing function, this is an increasing function, this is an increasing function. So on the left you have a sum of 2 increasing function, on the right you got an increasing function. So for 2 increasing functions to meet, it is only possible that these 2 functions can meet at x is equal to 0. So that is the point of intersection. So this is a lovely question, and with regard to my question at the beginning, can we solve this question? If you answered yes, then you can give a star for yourself. Thank you everybody, and let us move on to the next question.